Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your favorite station to the Petrol Prices application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the dashboard button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the favorite stations section and tap on this plus icon. Add your first station in the middle of the screen. Here you can see the nearby stations, but you can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for a particular petrol station, and tap on the relevant one and then click on the add button. As you can see, you can add only one at a time. So here it is added. So if you tap on it, you can check it out on the map. You can see the exact location and the prices are indicated as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.